Rapper Billy Adams beat 2 murder charges back in January, and police say only 3 days later, he killed his pregnant girlfriend right in front of her toddler. So Adams is now charged with her murder and that of her unborn child, but the defense wants to hide certain evidence from the public, claiming that it might harm Adams's right to a fair trial. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez shows us now what the judge has decided.
Is not guilty.
Tampa rapper Billy Adams got a second lease on life when a jury acquitted him of killing 2 men in a loose recording studio in November of 2020. He said it was self-defense, and the jury believed him.
I pulled out my gun and I shot Mr. Alberry in fear of Mr. Beats being shot or myself being shot.
Prosecutors say 3 days after walking free, Adams is accused of using a ruse to lure his pregnant girlfriend, Alana Sims, to a celebration party and gunning her down in cold blood. Her body was found next to her car in Easton Park, a Tampa subdivision. Sims' toddler was found asleep in his car seat. He wasn't injured.
We don't even know if Mr. Adams was aware of the existence of the child in the back seat.
Now those facts and others are under scrutiny by Adams' lawyer. For instance, they want details about the toddler sealed from the public. The defense argues that information could hurt Adams' chances of getting a fair trial.
And all it's doing is polluting the jury pool.
The prosecutor didn't really have an issue with it.
I don't see a basis for that being redacted.
Adams, who is facing the death penalty, was set for a speedy trial date this July and was fighting to keep it. He even sent this handwritten letter urging the court to keep his original trial date. Adams points to the new death penalty law that now allows a jury to recommend death on an 8-4 vote. It used to be unanimous. Adams dismisses his attorney's concerns, writing, quote, "I do not consent to the waiver of my speedy trial right." However, days later, he changed his mind. Now his trial could be a year away or longer. However, on this day,
so I'll issue an order on this.
His attorney got a win. Certain evidence will be kept from public view. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.